All right, hey guys. So I want to go over your characteristics of life CER. This is going to be your assignment for the week. Again, when you open this up, some of you may have a link here to open up the document. If you don't, next to where it says assignment, it should have a button that says My Document. If you have that button, please click on it and it will open up a copy for you. So when you open this up, it automatically makes a copy. That means you can type directly into it. Please make sure to put your name up at the top. And this is going to walk you through how to write a CER. So what CER stands for is claim evidence reasoning. We will be using this a lot in our classroom. So as scientists, when we make a claim about something, we're basically trying to answer a question. But we can't just answer a question with opinion. We have to have evidence to back it up. So we've been learning about what makes something biotic versus abiotic, or living versus non-living. If you did not attend the Zoom, please make sure you go back and watch the Zoom, or if you need a refresher on what is biotic versus abiotic. So anyways, your driving question and the question you as a scientist are going to be answering is, are zombies biotic or abiotic? So zombies aren't real. Yes, I know that. But most of you have probably seen a zombie movie at one point in your life, or you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, look it up online. So you are trying to answer this question. How you're going to do that is you need to give evidence. So right here, it says, what characteristic does a zombie have or not have that proves your point? So if you're going to tell me, I think zombies are biotic, I think they're living, then you need to give me 3 things about a zombie that supports that. So first one could be, I know they move. Okay, awesome. So what characteristics of life would movement fit under? So I'd probably say, that would fit under responding to stimuli. They can move and respond. You need to give me another thing. So again, if you're going to say zombies are biotic or living, okay, what's another thing about a zombie that you think makes it living? And what characteristic of life does that fit under? So once you have these 6 boxes filled out, then this is where you're putting it all together. So this highlighted area, this is answering your question. So our driving question again, are zombies biotic or abiotic? So you're going to put zombies are, you're either going to type biotic here or abiotic, one or the other. You're deciding based off what you set up here, what you think. Please remember to use complete sentences. So you can't just copy and paste the activity. Make sure you're making a paragraph. So right here are what I call sentence starters. That means I've already started the sentence for you and you just need to fill in the blanks. So the blanks, or the spots you're going to be filling in, are these highlighted sections. So I'll go through and highlight these for you so it's easier for you to find. So for this first one, again, you can keep this. The reason I know this is because then you're going to use, again, it says use your evidence from box 1. Here's box 1. So if you said they move, you can put they move, which shows they have / don't have. So pick whichever one applies to you. And then you're going to use your characteristic from box 1A. So whatever you typed here. So again, if you're going to say the reason I know this is because they move, which shows they have they respond to stimuli. The reason this shows responding to stimuli is because I know that movement is something that living things will use to get out of the way of something or respond. So again, these highlighted sections you're going to be filling in with what you've already typed in these areas. It's color coded. So the purple section goes with the purple section here. The pink section goes with the pink. Orange goes with the orange. So once you get all of these filled in, this is where you're going to write a final sentence, putting it all together. So, why are zombies biotic or abiotic? Again, it depends on what you decide. There's no right or wrong answer. Again, zombies are not real. But based off of what we know with our characteristics of life, I want you to be answering that question for me. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Our Zoom period 3 on Thursday, period 7 on Friday. I'll kind of use it as a time for us to go over this if you're having any trouble. So please do not freak out if you're having trouble. Know that we'll have some help on Thursday, but if you feel comfortable with it, please get started on it. Do your best. You can always fill something in and change it later during our Thursday or Friday Zoom to make sure you have it done correctly. All right?